What's up, everybody? I was about to show you all what that remote and that switch have in common. So that switch right there and this remote. Obviously not that one, but all right. So as you can see, garage door. So I wired up the switch. So if you go this way, it opens one door. If you go the opposite way, it opens the other door. Watch. So let's stop. Close it back up. So here's the other side. Go the other way. Hit it back up again. So I could actually do both at the same time. You just gotta flick it. I'm gonna do the quieter one first so you can hear it. Bam, bam. Okay. I'm gonna close them back up. And that's what that does.